Well, viewers, the attacks on Adani have been the mainstay of the Congress party. Come assembly elections or the Lok Sabha elections, the Congress MP Rahul Gandhi raises the issue vociferously. After the charges against the Indian businessman in the United States, Rahul Gandhi, in fact, even demanded the arrest of Gautam Adani. But it doesn't look like there are many takers for the Congress party's fixation on Adani, even within the India bloc. First, it was the TMC that broke ranks with the India bloc ally. While the Congress's strategy in the parliament focused on the Adani issue, the TMC's deputy leader in Lok Sabha, Kakuli Ghosh, made it clear that Adani won't be an issue for the TMC and it will instead focus on people's issues in the parliament. But the snub has not just come in from the TMC. In Kerala, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan's government has also extended a key agreement with the Adani group.
व्यापार हो, व्यापार पे कौन उंगली उठा रहा है? अडानी के पास संपत्ति है, उस संपत्ति का उपयोग देश के उद्योग और विकास के लिए हम उसके पक्षधर हैं। परंतु अदालत कह रही है यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका की कि 2300 करोड़ का घोटाला हुआ, ऐसा संज्ञान लिया है अदालत ने। इसकी जांच होनी चाहिए। भारतीय उद्योग के प्रतिष्ठा से जुड़ा सवाल है। ये पूरी तरीके से एक ऐसा सवाल है जिस पर हमें विचार करना होगा। तो आज नोटिस मैंने दी है, मैं अपने नोटिस पे बल दूंगा।
Our issue is in US case against Adani and his nephew. That is a very important issue because this case was registered in US. So that issue is very important. That's why we are raising this issue. But at the same time, BJP is escaping the Adani issue. That's why they are saying Kerala government deal with Adani. There are so many agreements with Adani groups, Adani Construction Airport and port in various parts of the country. That is different matter. But BJP is clubbing with this and this matter also.
In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party also echoed what the Congress party said. They want the bribery charges to be investigated, but not the company as a whole. And while the left government in Kerala has extended their deal with the Adani group, their own fellow party leader called for the arrest of the Adani group's top executives.
कोई व्यापारी है, उसने अपने व्यापार में भ्रष्टाचार कहां किया है, जांच इस बात की होनी चाहिए। व्यापार कहां किया इसकी जांच नहीं होनी, व्यापार में भ्रष्टाचार कहां किया उसकी जांच होनी है। तो अगर केरल में भी महंगी बिजली दिया हो अडानी ने, तो उसकी भी जांच होनी चाहिए। इसलिए हम चाहते हैं उसमें सदन में चर्चा हो, जिसमें जनता से हजारों करोड़ रुपए की लूट हुई है किसी भी राज्य में।
बीजेपी का कहना है कि फॉल्स एलिगेशन जो चार्जेस विदेश में लगे,
बीजेपी क्यों जवाब दे रही है? बीजेपी अडानी की नौकर है? बीजेपी अडानी के यहां काम करती है? आप लोग बार बार बीजेपी जवाब दे रही, बीजेपी क्यों जवाब दे रही है? बीजेपी कौन होती है जवाब देने वाली? बीजेपी सरकार में आके सदन में जवाब दे, या तो खुल के अपने नाम के आगे प्लेट लगा ले प्रधानमंत्री और अपने आगे लिखे कि अडानी का नौकर हूं।
We have demanded there should be JPC to probe the matter thoroughly. Truth should come out. In the meantime, government should think of taking Mr. Adani under custody, arrest. JPC must be formed, Adani must be arrested. This is our demand.
Now, the Adani issue has been raised by Rahul Gandhi, and it looks like the Congress party as well thinks that it's too much. A Congress MP seemed to be echoing the stand of the other India bloc leaders that there are other issues as well that need to be raised in the parliament.
I want to raise lots of other issues. I want the House to function. I mean, that's why our constituents have elected us and have sent us to Parliament to raise issues. And I am disappointed that this whole week we have not transacted any business. And I really wish this impasse would end and the government would have some sort of a dialogue and give some space for the opposition to raise issues or to allocate time to raise this issue and get on with the normal business of the House. There are many people who want to raise many issues. There are people who want to raise the Manipur issue. There are people who want to raise the issue of what's happening in Uttar Pradesh, the survey of existing places of worship. So there are many issues. I don't think that everybody is hung up over one issue.
So the BJP has now mocked the Congress party, saying that first it was the Congress party that was being mocked for being a parjivi, and now it's the allies who don't even want to back the party on its key issues.
कुछ लोग हैं जो हिंसा के द्वारा अस्थिरता फैलाते हैं। कुछ लोग जो है वो आर्थिक असंतुलन के बारे में अफवाहें फैलाकर रूमर्स के आधार पर अस्थिरता करते हैं। इतना चिल्ला रहे थे हिंडनबर्ग, आखिर क्यों नहीं कुछ हुआ? उसके बाद आप चुप क्यों हो गए? एक सुगुफा करेंगे जिससे शेयर मार्केट और जिससे जो पूंजी बाजार है वो अस्थिर हो जाए और भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था प्रभावित हो। विदेशी साजिश ये तो करते हैं लोग, तो समझ में आता है, लेकिन देश के राजनीतिक विदेशी भाषा बोलने लगते हैं।
India Alliance is a poster child of hypocrisy. On the one hand, they will create ruckus in parliament over false and fake reports, particularly from abroad, and target Indian entrepreneurs, the likes of Adani and Ambani. On the other hand, the Kerala government, the Pinarayi Vijayan government is signing a supplementary agreement with Adani Group over the future development and expansion of Vizhinjam port in Kerala. This is their double standards. Using fake and obnoxious reports, an attempt is made to create a hangama in parliament.
So you heard the reaction that came in from the India bloc partners as well. The BJP, of course, going on to hit out at the Congress party, saying for all that the Congress party has been saying time and again, even its own allies are refusing to back it. So that's a statement that has come in from the India bloc partners as well, who have said that Adani is not the main issue. Let's also remind you once again what Rahul Gandhi had said just about a week ago when the United States launched a case against Adani Group. Back then, Rahul Gandhi had called for Adani's arrest. But the question is, do his allies agree with this stand?
2000 करोड़ रुपए का स्कैम है। हिंदुस्तान में उन्होंने क्राइम किया है, अमेरिका में क्राइम किया है। ये अमेरिका के इन्वेस्टिगेशन ने कहा है, मगर हिंदुस्तान में अदानी जी के खिलाफ कुछ नहीं हो रहा। और ये हम मांग बहुत दिनों से कर रहे हैं। अदानी जी का अरेस्ट होना चाहिए, आज अरेस्ट होना चाहिए। माधवी बुच जो हैं, जो उनकी प्रोटेक्टर हैं, जिन्होंने कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं किया, उनको हटाया जाना चाहिए, उन पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए।
My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, the Congress party has been attacking and doubling down on its attack on Adani time and again, whether it's the assembly elections, whether it's the Lok Sabha elections, whether it's the parliament. But it doesn't look like the allies are really backing the Congress party on this.
Well, indeed, not just the allies, but in fact the Congress party's own members are also raising this concern that because of this continuous protest which is going on within the parliament by the India bloc parties, that is basically affecting the House proceedings as well. They have also mentioned it very clearly that we also want to raise certain matters which are related to our own states, and for that reason when the House gets adjourned, it is very much disappointing that the House is not being functioning properly because of this, the manner in which these protests are going on. In fact, they have also mentioned that how other important issues are also being there within the country, which also includes the violence which is being there in the state of Manipur. Not just that, but in fact Sambal matter is also a very important matter which needs to be discussed within the parliament, as the opposition parties are also seeking a reply on the part of the government of India regarding this entire matter, because on one side we have seen that how they are basically blaming it is upon the BJP government, and on the other side the manner in which the House is not getting function properly. That is the reason why they are also raising a concern, whether it is TMC or even the Congress party's own members who are saying the same kind of thing. When this question was being asked upon the Congress party's MPs, whether it is Mr. Pramod Tiwari or Karthi Chidambaram or other leaders, about the agreement which is being signed on the part of the Kerala government with the Adani Group, they had replied that we are not against any kind of business, but all we need is the transparency, and that is the reason why we are demanding.
Rahul Gandhi says that he should be arrested. On the other hand, the Congress leaders say that there is no opposition to the business with the Adani Group. The BJP says that this is clear hypocrisy of the Congress party. Developing story, more reactions expected. Niyamika, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details. Quick break now. We'll be right back. Do stay with us.